To miss you is like asking the stars if they miss the night, asking the sun if it misses warmth, or asking the oceans if they miss the rivers that gave birth to it. I've seen the most beautiful flowers, but they all smell the same. I've got to see the most beautiful places in the world, but the wind did the same everywhere. Only in your presence, the wind whispered a fragrance to the flowers, and an essence untold in other places. I knew I would recognize you in total darkness, were you mute and I deaf. I would recognize you in another lifetime, entirely different bodies, different times, and I would love you in all of this, until the very last star in the sky burnt into oblivion. I choose to kiss you in the wind, as for the wind is gentler than my lips. I choose to hold you in my dreams, as for my dreams you have not known. I wish I could give you half of what I am, so you could see what I see in you. So you could feel what I feel every time I hear your voice. So you could live forever, and I don't have to miss you. True love doesn't have needs. True romantic love is needy and has an end. True love is based on knowing we are with each other because we want to, not because we need to. Thank you for saving my life.